everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you how you can export multiple files using Laravel Excel. So let's get started with today's video. I have already created one video on single export of a file in Laravel, so you can also watch that video. So now let's get started with today's video, how you can export multiple files in Laravel. So that's the view I have created for export. Let me show you database. So here you can see task table, task comment also having some data. So these two I'll be exporting in one Excel sheet. So let me show you documentation as well. So here you can see multiple sheets how you can do. So you can go through this documentation by your own. So now let me show you code. So in web.php you can see base URL is going to file controller index function, and in index function I'm just getting all task and displaying in my view. In view you can see table is there, and export button, on click of it Ajax is called, that is going to export sheet, and this one is going to file controller export file. So here we will be writing code for export. So now let's go and create export files. So now for creating export, let's write commands. Write php artisan make export, and here write task export with model I'm here using here task. After that another export, write php artisan make export task comment export, and model will be task comments only. So let me just check model once. So now these two are single exports. So now let's create for multiple. So write command php artisan make export task multiple export. So here I'm not defining any model as it will have multiple exports inside it. So now let's go to export folder. Let me just change task export to capital T, and also in task class name also. So in task export you can see there is a function collection that is returning all tasks. In task multiple export you can see there is in collection function is there, but nothing is there as I have not defined any model. And last one is task comments. You can see collection function is there and returning all task comments. So in task multiple export, I'll be calling other two exports. So firstly in this export, I need to change that with multiple sheets I want to export. So I'm going to include that. After that, I'm going to remove collection and I'm going to add sheets function, as it will have multiple sheets that will be returning array. So inside that, I'll be defining which two sheets, so like basically export. Here I'll be defining which one I want to include. So in that particular Excel that will be exported. So first one I'm going to define that as task export. So here write new task export. After that, second I'm going to call here is that is task comments. So write task comments and new task comment export. So that's the change for multiple export. Now in file controller for export file function, return Excel download, and here in my previous video we have used just task like export. Here we will be using task multiple export, and with that define the file name that will be like downloaded as. So write task dot file extension xlsx. Now one more thing I need to do is that I need to export with headings. So in task export, write with headings, and also with titles I want, like worksheets, two worksheets will be there. So I want that task and task comment as titles. So now write public function headings and also public function titles. So title will be your worksheet title, complete sheet title, and headings will be your particular column. Let's say task or title is there, description is there. So these two will be heading, or like every column will have each heading. And title will be returning string, whereas heading will be returning arrays. So same thing I'll be doing in task comment also. So here also import with headings and with titles both, and also paste here both functions. So title will be changed to task comments, and heading will be changed to task, and second will be comment. So now in collection, let's select only task ID and comments. So I'm not going to show you join with task, as everybody will be having a different requirement. So you can write your query here, whatever your requirement is. So now let's change to get. So now let's check in browser, click on export. Now let's open Excel sheet. So you can see this Excel is having two worksheets in this. One is task and another one is task comments. So in task you can see only title and description. Other fields are also there, as I have not mentioned, select there. And in task comment you can see task id and comment only present. I have done select there. So that's how you can export multiple worksheets in a single excel file. So in this video I've shown you how you can export multiple sheets and also with headings and with titles. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.